I'll fit this now. Let's go DUMBO. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's gonna be funky. It should look like that. We have 1, 2, 3 holes. So it has to be mounted like this. Included rubber should go here. But as I have quite some acoustic damping material inside, the screws are too short if I use the rubber. So I'm not gonna use the rubber. You need these to fix it, to tighten it. So both parts do have threads inside. That is very cool. So you do not really need a screw nut. You can use some screw lock if you want, but it should hold like that. There we go. This one is gonna be interesting to tighten. Damn. I'm gonna have to take the cylinder off to get there. Get some space here, but let's see how this goes. One. Two. How are we gonna do that at the bottom? Alright. Ooh. Okay, that's gonna be a lot of swearing. I turn you off, guys. The bottom one is impossible to reach without taking off the cylinder. And I'm definitely not gonna do that. No, no, no. It is here. No, you cannot reach it. Can you? Oh, wait. Oh God, I love that. Nope. It's too ankled. That doesn't work. Nope. Impossible to reach. And for the bottom we will try to put in a zip tie. Zip tie always works. I mean, also 2 screws will do the job. But a 3rd point wouldn't be bad. That's how it looks like when the carburetor is in and this is mounted. I will fit this now. Let's use some silicone spray and also widen this a bit. It does fit. Yep. Looks like they have to mount it here. Does it fit? Yep. It works. This is so... Look at this. Well, you can see here I've got the 2nd clamp. I mean, it sits so tight it does not really need the clamp. But let's see. Carburetor off. Hose off. Clamp. Over the hose. Let's use some silicone spray. On the carburetor. There we go. Let's see if we can use the 2nd clamp. Nah. Doesn't do any harm. Rounds the picture, doesn't it? Screwdriver. Yeah. Nice. There will do. I will take this corner.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
A young one. It is 4,500 kilometers old. It's from a PX 2011. Model 2011. It's 2015 or so. That's jiggling around. 40 gram is needed. That it stops everywhere. See? 40 gram at 1 point. Imagine how this vibrates. Yep.